warm welcome to all our viewers. I'm your host Saqib Malik and you're watching GK Web TV. It was 3 months back that the Gauri Heart Center at Chandpora under the aegis of Gauri Kaul Foundation was inaugurated. The center has received an overwhelming response from the people of Kashmir. The center is being led by Dr. Upendra Kaul, who's a leading cardiologist himself. Today I have two special guests with me. I have Mrs. Devki Jain, who has come all the way to Srinagar and to the center today. She inaugurated a special waiting area for women patients at the center. Ma'am, a warm welcome to you. You're here in Srinagar today and at the center. How do you look at the work being done by the Gauri Kaul Foundation?
It's the most important work, especially since it's for women's health. And I know that Mrs. Gauri, who is her mother, herself was very dedicated to public service. And the feeling that women need special places where they can go, and that women's health is more neglected normally and therefore needs more identification and more, let us say, enabling mechanisms. So I'm so proud that a very old and dear friend, Upendra Kaul, whom I knew as a very young man working in AIIMS, has had the wisdom to set up this thing in the name of his mother. So it's a very important idea. In a way, you can also see that you don't always have to open big hospitals to serve the people. You can also open small facilitation centers in different places. That's also a lesson we can learn from the Gauri Center.
Mrs. Devki Jain herself is a prominent economist and a writer. She has done some prolific work for women's empowerment. We are glad to have her here in Srinagar today. Ma'am, as far as health of women is concerned and health of the underprivileged is concerned, how important do you see, providing them facilities, having healthcare facilities for them?
You actually answered your question, because the underprivileged are the ones who have most difficulty in getting access to health services, apart from the fact that private hospitals are very expensive and also require a lot of influence to get in. To have a service which is available at the doorstep or in a place like this is a great boon to women, especially women of the less privileged. And women's health actually is an issue that is now being flagged everywhere, because it's been neglected partly because the social stigma, the social exclusion of women has meant that men get more health and educational services. Now the world is beginning to recognize that women are the real resource with which you can change the world. So more attention is being given, as you must have realized, to girls' education, girls' health, and now to women's health. So I hope this starts off what we call a trigger, and more people will open local centers where women can go for getting healed from whatever problem they have. So I'm very pleased that there is this health center for women only.
On my right hand side is Dr. Upendra Kaul. He needs no introduction. Dr. U Kaul is a known cardiologist and somebody who really has a great love for Kashmir and the people and wants to serve people in Kashmir. डॉक्टर साहब, आज देवकी जैन जी यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. कितना बड़ा मौका है ये सेंटर के लिए और गौरी कौल फाउंडेशन के लिए, और आप जो काम कर रहे हैं, हेल्थ कैंप्स आप ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं वक्तन फ़वक्तन अलग अलग इलाकों में. आपको क्या लगता है, जो आपकी जो ट्रस्टी हैं देवकी जैन जी यहाँ आई हैं, इससे आपको क्या लगता है, किस तरह का वैल्यू एडिशन होता है, इस तरह के लोग आते हैं, क्या लगता है आपको?
मुझे लगता है कि ये जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है हमारे गौरी कौल फाउंडेशन और गौरी हार्ट सेंटर के लिए. और मेरी माँ जहाँ भी है इस वक्त, अगर वो ये देख रही होती कि क्या हो रहा है उसके नाम पर, वो बहुत ही खुश होती, क्योंकि उसका जो बचपन था, जब वो पैदा हुई उसके 4-5 साल बाद ही लड़कियों को स्कूलों से निकाल दिया गया था, बिकॉज of some incident or somebody eloping with somebody, not going into the details of that. But after that she always wanted कि मैं किसी तरीके से कुछ खिदमत मरीज़ों की करूं. और ये तो उसको पता था डॉक्टर तो मैं बन नहीं सकती, तो उसने कहा मैं नर्स बनूंगी. तो her idol was Florence Nightingale, even in those days, वो जानती थी उस नाम को. तो उसने फिर, मुझे यही लगा कि मैं डॉक्टर बना तो उसकी जो तमन्ना थी शायद वो पूरी हो गई. और दूसरी तमन्ना ये थी कि मैं कश्मीर में कुछ करूं, जो मैं कर नहीं पा रहा था, कई सालों से आता जाता था. बट ये फाउंडेशन बना के हम लोगों ने हर सेंटरों में जाके हम आज तक 8-9 डिस्ट्रिक्ट पूरे कर चुके हैं, हमें पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट पूरे करने हैं। फिर वहाँ पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाके हमको यही लगा कि हम मरीज़ों को लिखते हैं ECG करो, इको करो, वो करो, फिर वो कहाँ जाएँ, वो कहीं जा रहा है, कोई कहीं जा रहा है, कोई ठीक रिपोर्ट है, कोई नहीं। तो हमने कहा हमें एक सेंटर बनाना है यहाँ पर, जिसमें कि ऐसे लोग यहाँ पर आएँ, और जो हम सेंटर्स पेरिफरी में देखते हैं, कैंप्स में देखते हैं, उनको कुछ चार्ज नहीं करते हैं यहाँ पे। ये सिर्फ शहर के लोग हैं जो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, उनको चार्ज करते हैं क्योंकि चलाना है। और इसकी जो मशीन है, इक्विपमेंट वगैरह आया, तो वो भी हमने कहीं से वो करके, मेरा कहीं फ्लैट था, उनका मैंने क्या करना, दिल्ली के फ्लैट को बेचो इसको, तो लगा के, सो इज़ गिव्स अ मैटर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन दैट व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू फॉर मेनी ईयर्स, part of it has been done. I won't say everything is done, but efforts are on, and with all my friends, Abid, Munir, Ejaz, Dr. Zubair, all of us work like a family. हम एक काम करना है, सब बांट के करते हैं, सब मिल के करते हैं, तो वो हो जाता है. So I think is a very, and today's day is very, very important for us that Devki ji has been able to come and bless us, and her blessings are going to mean a lot to us. Thank you.
Devki ma'am, any message to the corporates, to the health people who are running the healthcare sector in Jammu and Kashmir? What would your word of advice towards them be in a place where the healthcare system is so fragile? What would your one word of advice to them be?
Well, what to say except to say that they have to be meticulous, they have to come on time. When very often when the complaint is that in these field centers, the staff don't come on time, they just sign and go away. And so the commitment to heal people should be almost like a prayer. And that kind of education and that kind of spirit, maybe the call center or the Gauri center's work might inspire people to say, hey, look, this brilliant doctor from Delhi has set up this service, and because there's a need for a service, let us also do the similar thing. Let us also find ways in which we can provide intimate, easy, accessible, good quality health services to women and children. I'm so pleased that this might set an example. I hope it will.
So this was prominent economist Devki Jain stressing on the fact that Kashmir needs a lot of philanthropy, needs a lot of people, activists to come forward and make healthcare easily accessible to people, especially the underprivileged lot. Thank you, ma'am, for speaking to us. Thank you for speaking to us. With cameraman Khan Mudassir, Saqib Malik, GK Web TV.